With the advancement of technology and increased user preferences, LED display technology has been constantly evolving since the 1980s. From traditional projection and LCD technology to full-color LED, OLED, MicroLED, there has been a transition in the application of large screens from outdoor settings to indoor environments, and from rental setups to fixed installations over the past few years. The use of LED displays has become a mainstream choice in global advertising, rental and staging, retail, sports, and other fields, with diverse and innovative applications emerging constantly. In 2023, global commercial display sales reached a record high of $307 billion. With rapid penetration into traditional markets, the micro-LED market is expected to reach $20 billion by 2025, while the small-pitch LED market is projected to exceed $40 billion. By 2028, the ProAV market is forecasted to surpass $400 billion. It is evident that the market is expanding and growing rapidly. As a frontrunner in the global LED display market, Absen has been strategically advancing micro-LED technology and product development since 2016. In November 2021, Absen established a COB manufacturing center, making significant investments in developing a production line for micro-LED products. Subsequently, Absen introduced a series of innovative ProAV scene products, including CL, KLCOB, and the smart all-in-one Absen Icon X series. Our commitment to green development is integrated into the entire life cycle of our products, setting industry benchmarks in various fields. We aim to empower the audiovisual market with solutions that prioritize higher definition, environmental protection, and intelligent interaction. As ultra-high definition LED display products are poised to enter the trillion-dollar market in the future, their applications in fields such as enterprises, education, security, retail, and exhibitions will continue to grow. LED screens will see widespread adoption in consumer markets, such as living rooms and home theaters. Absen remains committed to being market-driven, collaborating with global partners to make the world shine more.